I think the issue no babonte no na Ghana for bebre I very much concerned because sa what krom ha now share the kind of atmosphere surround the judicial system of krom ha. I dear friend the public trust and confidence aba form ye nyina de can say court no enquire de bia ebema sa trust and confidence general public no ahotoso nipa wo courtroom no eteba form pe ye ni judiciary biem. And the bedroom baby, not a consistently rulings every Supreme Court, the ordinary person on the street. It means subjected the ruling to critical scrutiny. No one to me arrive and say, oh, ruling ya by an element of common sense reasoning, certain basic thing. Who ruling in the ordinary person on the street, it may make such conclusion clearly a potent danger for us going forward because you see a democracy, a bejina yent mean for judicial in Sinchain. And we be do baby, you who some appointment and a president Akufo-Addo, I read the whole AP month for gum. People were raising a lot of concerns about individuals no mukomuno. Some were known to be partisan, your friend say activist, a man for Nimba Mufriba. So all these things, create certain atmosphere, they mistrust and they raise a lot of concerns. You see, it is not about a judge sitting in the court. That is not justice. But justice should be able to hold society together. Nipa na yewo man no no ye nyina begia tum na ya respect the court ruling but niema ba kwa na mienu bi koso na se nipa enye sa niema no ntuma the ruling now we dey aba no even though what we say what dispense justice but e be nuisance not justice and that is the realm ya drive we ho koye. Now, no, me send a passionate appeal to the new Chief Justice now. Ban say, Ninuya ba kuno ba sin kwa na me bobra papa. Ne penso no, the judiciary na ni mo nyam conform. Or rulings are ba na nipa dwene ho awon tiase a birth certificate ni way. A lot of lawyers raise a lot of concerns about some of the rulings as be na basic element of reasoning, the poverty of logic ni intellect. Ubehu e ruling ma sabi. Uye school ni ubesua de no. Ofa uhu sa ne ma no. Enti ninua no ne ye ne some the never be a course so I was some panel and some ruling be by we are judiciary na by a subject of public ridicule on various social media platform. Ebinu from unanimous 6, ebinu from unanimous 7. Ninyina no emma ya judiciary no animunyam enye. Entina de ye kan say ma me na wa bar no sabi. Omra na that particular aura. Man for a war around that particular way. No, mayim free one sabi on Friday Munyambi and message judiciary. So when this particular thing by not a common sense about culture says it is not about the law, it is about the governance, the administration around it. Because somewhere the environment, now papa clearly say or go into an election. That may be a normal court practice that people may go to court, but over the atmosphere. Na kwa ya faso ya victim from the from parliament and some of the discussion we narrative we are around that. Obviously the people are very much concerned, they are watching, so it is only reasonable and sensible for you to grant him that particular period to go and do or no ankasani election because criminal proceedings and haste Opuninum case almost has how many years in here? So many. Because it's a criminal case, and nipa no default betimia koda jail, betimia never be betimia. So you need to take your time. Now we'll go into the issue, but not in a hasty manner. So a lot of people were concerned, say, okay, say betimia Attorney General betimia court to not manage this kind of ruling now, but then somebody somewhere is manipulating the court. And you see, betimia is sending no crap. But and so you play into that particular game, feeding into that particular perception and deepen the kind of public concern among forward. So I think there is one way a court to now attendance redeeming and had the course in this particular elections, the goodwill on the part of your friends, Mr. Jachi Kwesin, and they say, so quite court needy, and especially with this particular and send me I say, you say court to you say that. Some of these things you might think that Niparana was saying, no, but wait to me. I'm a Nipponian sympathy voter. People may vote for him because you they see what for the first time. A certain MP no more one of the contestants. So we are very reasonable now to governance. I say now who said the power you don't delve into some of this arena because Abasa one kasana woyama he because by be a yaba beduri so here near my ruling from court. Some individuals bi more court to num kasa bi akoso na se for no a Ghana for afro amanfo so court na say odi ne dwuma se be ya nipa benya trust and confidence because e be duru ba bi na se sa ahotoso ni ho a se wonu nu anya asema onko court obi di be ya duabo obi be hwese kan e ba sa everybody is becoming law unto himself and at the end of the day no oman na ye be bo no se si ayeti hai parliament to a certain extent ordinary Ghanaian entimi fa no ho nto so asem kwa ye betwe NDC MPP obakwa na ya pass na go through executive na Akufo-Addo to obi nim de oye e ho no de sabi nsem hu na ekoso okrom ha nyina e ho na efiri ba and the judiciary na sabi ye ni da so a eno na asem si a sabi I the last way a Ghana for betimi de omho ato so no se ekokoduru ho na eno so no na nan no si baabi na ye hu some element a omo ye exposed to partisan politics na infiltrate or to that particular extent to the extent say attorney general na no be kan sem say na be call na mpa na akọ na wo betena ba bi na wo kire wa adwan na ya ka say oh ya cite you for contempt he say we live in a liberal environment
how can and come by say wo share the democratic referencing we the delegate e dia wo de ba ye say Gachi question you charging for perjury and obetumi akum for almost 10 years. Na besi na obi anka hwe enkyere wo mo ene nasefo no a na mi bisa say contempt mra no ya sakyere mu ana say de de cheme no because me bi ateme
yes
ama makwa the prison 14 days it de cheme no da so te ase na by this time no emu hojo ye yefri ho
me personally me believe baby awiase aba bedru with this exposure to this liberal democracy so a lot of contempt na obi transe kire na dwena I think there is a foolish law that has to be baby edru some countries are move a step further ye de agu baby because we live in a liberal where people should have the freedom to be able to express their opinion about nema ye koso court obi metena menye so obi abodam so wa betra TV so adi judge atama na say but it is the ajuma why area wo dia ba abonte no obi so right to express anka ono ankasa ni opinion eno na etimi boy me deep in your democracy na ho na kasa je mistake you can err and the same way obi ti ba bi raise another some fundamental issues obi timi aboa wo amasa be ukra wani aba ho say oh ene ha me mistake wa asibebre court bi timi the ruling ba e come review na turn happen several times so that particular attempt to gag people no respect is not something you can demand oti a wo ye adwuma yi wontimi mfo so cameraman say chincha respect me but your behavior the kind of about conduct in this environment you know naturally it will draw respect from them that is all that is about so we've gone past the era where I call to chinchinchi will be respecting me but obera ye fa wonema sisi ye fa as the some fa no crop to be an okreda asam na beba no manipa hu se nyansa wom birth certificate ni sa na nema no say we view justification come out with some Some beti mama nipa nya are very clear on their minds. And there some no ba nipa no bejiatum. Na so would the ruling ba no create more doubt. Ruling no instead of say ebe distill public doubt no it is rather creating a lot of doubt wa. At the end of the day no un serve obi better. So that particular arena na ye kwa ba be ye duru. Me say one person cannot work and make the judicial better. Ye nyina nsam for the ordinary Ghanaian obi working together and able to make the judicial system efficient.
Alaji issue na that way. That's a question.